Have you ever wondered if an ancient grain could unlock the secret to laser-sharp focus? Ancient grains have been gaining popularity as a superfood, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that can have a significant impact on our overall health. But what's particularly interesting is their potential to improve mental clarity and focus. The goal of this video is to reveal how ancient grains can enhance your focus and productivity. We'll be exploring some of the most powerful grains that have been used for centuries to boost cognitive function. Let's dive into some of these incredible grains, like quinoa and farro. These grains have been staples in many cultures for thousands of years, and it's no coincidence that they're still popular today. Quinoa, for example, was considered a sacred crop by the Incas. They believed it had healing properties that could enhance mental clarity and focus. In fact, quinoa is still used today in many traditional medicines to improve cognitive function. Farro, on the other hand, has been a staple in Italian cuisine for centuries. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help improve blood flow to the brain, leading to enhanced focus and concentration. One of the most fascinating things about ancient grains is their rich history. They've been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat a range of ailments, from digestive issues to mental fatigue. Incorporating these grains into your diet is easier than you think. You can start by adding quinoa to your salads or using farro in place of rice. Try making a hearty farro bowl with roasted vegetables and lean protein for a nutritious and filling meal. You can also try making a quinoa breakfast bowl with almond milk, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This will give you a boost of energy and focus to start your day. Some people even use these grains as a pre-workout snack to enhance their performance. The complex carbohydrates and fiber in these grains provide sustained energy and improved mental clarity. Studies have shown that a diet rich in whole grains like quinoa and farro can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. In conclusion, ancient grains like quinoa and farro have been used for centuries to enhance focus and productivity. By incorporating these grains into your diet, you can experience the benefits for yourself. If you're ready to unlock the secret to laser-sharp focus, try out these ancient grains and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content and tips on how to optimize your diet for peak performance.